Hi guys, this is King and Pastor King, and we're back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your family and your friends and all around the world. We love you guys, and with that being said, we're gonna get into our grace. Go ahead.
Father God, we thank you for this food. God bless the cook. Lord, we thank you for this food. Let it be nourished to our bodies. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for all the subscribers. Tonight we are gonna be having some deep fried New York steak strip, New York steak strip fried by Queen, and some sweet corn and some mashed potatoes. So, anyways, with that being said, how are you guys doing tonight? And you know we got our hot sauce in the back.
Yeah, famous hot sauce. You guys want to bite? Mashed potatoes. The steam. You see the steam?
I'm sorry, guys. At least he was on point, right, guys? Oh.
Can give y'all a piece of steak.
It's not tough, guys. I'd rather eat mine by hand, but I'm gonna give y'all that first piece of steak with no hot sauce, anything on it. It's just fried steak, guys. And it's steaming. It should be steaming.
Some steam. See this one.
Put a little salty down.
Some corn. Some corn.
Here's the corn, guys. Just bomb, guys. This is bomb. Anyway, how are you guys? They going today? We work, so we're pretty tired.
Yeah, I go in at 7:30, guys. I mean, at 8:30.
Yeah.
That's the chance I'm going to work.
It's just this like kind of look too. Guys, you want to buy home? That's some mashed potatoes.
Like,
We got some mashed potatoes and steak.
yeah.
It's good, guy. It seems like I'm fighting with the steak. But tell them how it is. It really is good. It's not tough. It's just right.
The steak is good. It's not tough. Queen cooked it just right. Guys, I'm serious.
Hold on, I'm going to show you guys.
It's not tough, but she cooked it just right.
There you guys go. It's really not tough, guys. It's good.
See, I don't mind sharing my food with you guys. Friends and pastors and family.
You guys ever have some corn?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's mashed potatoes. Well, this mashed potato is good.
Here's the corn, guys. This is sweet corn.
You guys,
Sweet corn. It's so good.
I did Bible study yesterday last night. Go watch it. It's on the purpose of the church. It's really a good lesson. Y'all should watch it. And y'all should watch Sunday service too as well.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Share our videos so we can be shared all around the world. Let's take the circle guys. It's really tender.
I love Queen's cooking, guys. I fell in love with her cooking.
See, he ain't falling in love with me, guys. I make them know.
I didn't fall in love with Queen's cooking, but I fell in love with her. When I fell in love with her cooking too. You know what
I just got some hot sauce off his plate. Guys, I didn't want to talk about it, but it ain't field mice coming in your house no more. The fuck ran in my house tonight? Excuse my language. What the heck? Ran in my house tonight. Guys, if y'all know Queen, I'm scared of bugs. I'm scared of animals. So, it looks like a squirrel ran in here. It could be a field mice, but I don't want to feel no mice. Period.
It's a field mice. That's what right here.
So we got soup out here tonight. This is where we eat at. So we're gonna soup our food up. Because we're not feeding the outsiders, guys. Well, y'all not outsiders because y'all Queen and Pastor King family. Here's y'all food. But, I'm scared.
Princess gonna be up all night.
I'm very scared, y'all.
I got to go to sleep. Pastor King got to go to work tomorrow.
I'm trying to walk in, but...
She waking me up. Hey, wake up and get up. You know what time I gotta be at work? I gotta be at work.
Steak, guys. Look at that. That is really juicy. It's not tough or nothing. It's a New York strip steak. Deep fried. It's just right.
Guys, one thing y'all will learn about me and Queen, we love to eat. We love to eat food.
And this food was made by Queen.
Oh, guys, we're gonna. You guys gotta go with us to this. I'm not going to.
We're going to mashed potatoes. I'm sorry, guys, but I forgot. We got field mice and stuff.
I'm not even gonna say nothing. But Queen don't even know I got some up my feet.
We're gonna eat my food, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not what I want to do.
Sorry, guys.
I don't want to eat.
No more cutting. This is so tender.
Guys, if I tell you that you can't tell Queen,
Tell me, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell.
no.
I do more challenges
Then it would be,
and more pranks for you guys.
then it won't be no surprise if they tell.
So as long as y'all be like, I'm here to surprise you doing pranks. I'm gonna do what I want to do. The Lord knows my heart.
Listen,
Father, so opinion.
it's gonna be a surprise. If I surprise you, I already know you're gonna tell Queen.
Right.
Oh, Queen, this is what Power King got planned for you. Blah, 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 blah. I already know you're gonna tell it.
Yeah. Guys. I'm sorry, guys. It's gonna be leftovers because we don't waste no food. But there go another bite of mashed potatoes. Completely finished.
And also, corn. But I ain't even gonna
Well
lie.
done, guys. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We love y'all, Queen and Pastor King family. Pastor King wanna probably finish talking to you guys, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. He wasn't eating enough of my plate. Only mashed potatoes, guys. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your family and your friends and all around the world. We love you guys. You got anything more to say?
Love you guys. Stay prayed up.
Love you guys and treat each other how you want to be treated. And you know our slogan.
After we eat,
We're ready to go to sleep. And we're out.